Welcome to phase 4 of this no-nonsense Airbnb training. This is maintenance phase where we will talk about all those things you will have to keep doing as part of maintaining your property and your business. It will involve things like regular cleaning checks, replenishing the supplies, and the improvements. So let's start with cleaning checks. This includes looking after your property on a regular basis, making sure it stays in the same shape and order, and you're able to deliver the same quality to the guest as when you started. And the first thing you need to keep looking after is the cleaning checks. No matter whether it is you doing the cleaning or if you have a cleaning team, you need to keep a check on the quality of cleaning at your property. This will involve things like dusting. Dust starts building up in certain areas, and if you're not following a deep cleaning routine, the dust will start building up like window corners and top of the windows and fans, things like that. There could be other places where your cleaner is just regularly missing and the dust has started to build up. You will need to do an inspection on a regular basis, ideally every 2 or 3 months. Again, this is hospitality. You will need to stay on top of things. The second is freshen up. Things like blankets, cushion covers, curtains, they may need freshening up every couple of months. So keep an eye on them, whether they have started looking dull. Do they need dusting? Do they need dry cleaning or washing? Keep looking out for these things. And the third one is discarded leftover stuff. This is a very common problem. Guests will leave a lot of stuff behind, eatables in the kitchen. There will be lots of toiletries left over, and you will find some personal belongings in the bedroom left over by the guest. The rule of thumb is anything which is open goes in the bin. Anything which is still not open and it is still in its original packaging, cleaner may keep it aside, and you may keep a leftover cabinet where you can keep storing all those packaged items left over by the previous guest, and just inform your incoming guests honestly that these are the leftover packaged items by the previous guest. Feel free to use anything from here if it is of any use to you. But anything which is open goes in the bin. Make sure your cleaners check the date for any edible item. If it has expired, needless to say, they should throw it away. Over time, you will gather a lot of stuff in the kitchen. Make sure you keep clearing your leftover cabinet. Keep an eye on it. If people are using it, if something has expired, throw it away. But yes, anything open goes in the bin.